Welcome to Dreifuss Fireplaces. Today we're diving into the top benefits of a wood-burning fireplace. A wood-burning fireplace creates a stunning focal point in any room. Imagine the cozy warmth and beautiful ambiance it brings, especially during winter. Not only does it provide extra heat, but it also helps you save on utility bills. With wood as your fuel, you won't rely on electricity or gas, making it a cost-effective choice. The natural smell of burning wood enhances your home's atmosphere. No need for scented candles when you have the real deal. It also adds natural mood lighting, perfect for a cozy night in or entertaining friends. Plus, a wood-burning fireplace can increase your home's value by up to $12,000, making it a smart investment. Concerned about the environment? Wood is a sustainable and renewable resource, making it an eco-friendly option compared to fossil fuels. So if you're on the fence, remember, a wood-burning fireplace isn't just about warmth. It enhances your home's value, saves on bills, and creates a welcoming ambiance. Ready to make the switch? Visit Dreifuss Fireplaces today, serving our community since 1876.